When most people hear the word intimacy, they immediately think about sex. But here's the truth. Sex alone doesn't keep relationships alive. In fact, psychologists say there are 8 different types of intimacy that every couple needs, and sex is only one of them. Emotional intimacy, physical intimacy, intellectual intimacy, experiential intimacy, spiritual intimacy, creative intimacy, crisis intimacy, and recreational intimacy. If you're missing even a few of them, your relationship will always feel incomplete. So here's what you need to do. Nurture all 8 forms of intimacy with your partner. Have deep emotional conversations. Be physically affectionate, not just sexually. Challenge each other intellectually. Go on adventures together. Share your values and beliefs. Create something together. Support each other through tough times. And don't forget to have fun and laugh together. If you focus on just 1 or 2 of these, your relationship will suffer. But if you invest in all 8, your love will grow deeper, stronger, and more fulfilling.